Question, real estate in California. What the Seriously, can someone help? What's an escrow? What's an ARM? What is an REO? What is pre-approval? Can I get pre-approval? Why is inventory so low? Why are interest rates so high? Oh, interest rates not so high? How low is low? How not so high is right.
Before you go down the road of questions, get expert help at championsofhome.com. California Association of Realtors. Who's your realtor?
I keep seeing celebrities posts, me in the 90s versus now. Well, the person staring at me in the mirror is definitely not the same person that could pull off bootcut jeans. Time creeps up on us so slowly. You don't see it until suddenly you do. Same thing goes for your bills. $1 here, an uptick there. It's a slow burn until one day you realize the price you're paying now is way higher than when you signed up. But at T-Mobile, customers had the lowest wireless bills versus Verizon and AT&T over the past 5 years. And with T-Mobile on their experience plans, you get a 5-year price guarantee, so you know exactly what your plan price will be for the next 5 years. So at least that's one thing that won't change over time. I can't guarantee you'll still look good with frosted tips, but T-Mobile can give you a clear guarantee on your wireless plan.
Lower bills based on Harris X billing snapshots from Q3 21 to Q4 25 compared to average AT&T and Verizon bills. Comparison excludes discounts, credits, and optional charges. Price guarantee on talk, text, and data. Exclusions like taxes and fees apply. See T-Mobile.com.
Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com, and this is Hot Internet Marketing Products podcast. We're talking today about Marlon Sanders, and he has a product that I just came across called 2-Hour AI Products from Marlon Sanders. And I like to start at the finish. It's something like $18.35 as we speak right now. Let's see, $18.35. And the one thing that's going to jump out at you, and I hope I have it at the beginning, is he is the only person I know of teaching you how to be on the top of the food chain. And what he means by that, he kind of goes into it a bit in his description. And first off, I'll tell you that you can, from the podcast, you can click the link that'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a bit of a quick article about what everything is involved, and then there's a link. And you click that and you're at his site. And on his site, let's go back to what I was saying there, which is the top of the food chain. So other people will teach you how to use AI, and that's kind of the course. So they'll sell you the course that teaches you how to use AI. And so his whole thing is, it doesn't really matter what the thing is, you're selling the shovels. And so what that means is when the internet was a big deal, people are not necessarily selling internet, they're selling things that show you how to make money on the internet. And so it's a quick way to go around. This is how to make the products that sell, as opposed to buying a PDF that teaches you how to use AI. I hope that makes sense. But he describes it pretty good in his page. So you click the link from the podcast, you go to my site, you click the link, and you're at Marlon's thing. It's called 2-Hour AI Product System. And I like this. It's a very simple formula that almost anyone can use to create their own high appeal AI products in a flash. And you'll see the difference when I tell you how it breaks down. So let's see. Is that a good way to describe it? Let's do that. So he goes into promises. He goes, promise 1, you're going to find out exactly what your customers want to buy by using AI. So it finds you what people are looking for. Promise 2, you're going to be able to put together a fantastic one-page HTML product. So an HTML product is basically a little mini software thing using AI. Even if you aren't an expert at anything and aren't a good talker, it's not about ebooks or traditional products like that. It's different and 100% more valuable to the buyer. And you can be invisible. You can do this however you want. And this tool will be what people are looking for. And here we go. Promise 3, you're going to whip out a darn good sales page for your AI tool in a matter of minutes. That includes the copy, design, the whole shebang, and it will look hot. You don't even need a page builder. You just paste it in as HTML. So you got all the stuff in the sales page. And so what he's teaching you, and Marlon's been around since, I'm looking for it, but it's something like 1997. Long time. It's 2020. Yeah, there we go. It's no different than in 97. And I think he's been around doing kind of direct email, like the thing before you even had the internet. So this is all about creating products and selling them. And like he says, because you have the AI puts it together for you, you don't, Amanda, you don't waste a whole bunch of time, energy, and money creating a product that nobody wants, because AI researches it for you, creates it, puts it together, puts a promotion together. And so you let people tell you what they want, and then you sell it to them. Pretty amazing. And anyhow, this whole thing, 1843, I think, is that what I said? I'm going to let you scroll through, check it out. Marlon Sanders has a great way of boiling it down pretty quick and just getting right to the nugget of the whole thing, which is, I don't want to say how you make money, but I want to put it so that you can. Here's a good example. You could spend months trying to create a nice piece of software. So you could work on it, HTML, do programming, do all that. Or you could go to AI and have it say, create a product that does this. And pretty much I do understand that people who spend a month on the software could create something even. It could have more bells and whistles. But one of the things is the keep it simple, stupid principle, which is if you're doing something very straightforward, I want you to create, why does logo jump into my head? But I'll use that as an example. You can put together, if people are wanting a logo, hey, I want to just crank out logos, you can put together that kind of product in relatively simple, quick form. So take a look at this, under $20, and it shows you, one of the great marketers, how to make money creating and selling products and doing all the research with AI. It uses AI instead of AI using you. So check it out, click the link, and go check out 2-hour AI products from Marlon Sanders. Enjoy.